Hi guys, welcome to Mathsy with me, Miss Resi, your teacher for today. Now let's identify the coordinates of the following. Let's try example number 1. For this, we use this formula. For this formula, the orientation is horizontally oriented. For the center, we need the value of h and k. So the additive inverse of -2 is +2 and -1 is +1. For the vertices and co-vertices, we need the value of a and b. For the vertices, we need this formula. Substitute the values we have. Therefore, our vertices are 2 plus 3 is 5, 1. And the other one is 2 minus 3 is -1, 1. For the core vertices, we need this formula. Substitute the values we have. So our co-vertices are 2, 1 plus 4 is 5, and the other one 2, 1 minus 4 is -3. For the foci, we need this formula. So let's solve first the value of c. Substitute the value of c we have. So our foci are 2 plus 5 is 7, 1, and the other one 2 minus 5 is -3, 1. For the directrix, we need this formula. Substitute the values we have. Therefore, our directrix are 2 plus 1.8 is 3.8, and the other one is 2 minus 1.8 is 0.2. For the asymptotes, we need this formula. Substitute the values we have. So we have the equation of the asymptote. Let's graph this. So here is the graph of this equation. Let's have another example. Looking at this given, we see that it is almost similar with the previous equation. The only difference is the minuend and the subtrahend are interchanged. Let's use this equation. This means that the graph of the equation is a hyperbola that is vertically oriented. The value of h and k tells us the center, which is positive 2 and 1. For the vertices, we need the value of a and b. Our a is on the y, therefore our vertices is starting at 2, comma 1 plus 4 is 5, and the other one is 2, comma 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Next, our b is on the x values, so we have positive 1 as our y, and for our x value, 2 plus 3 is positive 5, comma 1, and the other one is 2 minus 3 is negative 1. For the foci, let's solve for the Pythagorean theorem. The orientation is vertical, therefore the y value will be changing. So from 2, comma 1 plus 5 is 6, and 2, comma 1 minus 5 is negative 4. For the directrix, we need this formula. Substitute the values we have. So our directrix is y is equal to 1 plus 3.2 is 4.2. The other one is y 1 minus 3.2 is negative 2.2. For the asymptotes, we need this formula. Let's substitute the values. So our asymptotes are 3x minus 4y equals 2, and the other one 3x plus 4y equals 10. So let's graph this. So this is the graph for this equation.